Welcome to C49HockeyBreaks, box break number 424, and today we've got our second box of last week's new release, 22-23 Artifacts. If you're wondering about 21-22 Synergy, that came out on Wednesday, I think I am actually going to grab a box of that. Unfortunately, did not make it over to the LCS this week, and this break is already up a day late, so instead, we've got 22-23 Artifacts, which I did grab last week as I was set up at a card show at a card shop, so picked up a second box of this on last weekend. And next week, I believe we have Team Canada coming out, so maybe Upper Deck's finally getting their crap together and getting us some product. But yes, thinking a box of Synergy coming here in the future next week. Team Canada, hopefully. But today, we've got our second box of 22-23 Artifacts, and we've got box number 907. So let's get into this box of Artifacts. We're already a minute and a half into this video, so let's see what our second box of 22-23 Artifacts has for us. First box was alright, but let's see something nice here. Would really love to get one of those hard-signed OV cards. There are a couple of them, different sets, in 22-23 Artifacts. So let's get into it. First pack. We start off with a Jack Eichel, number 79 of 299. Jack Eichel. Second pack, we've got a Matthew Tkachuk, 12 of 85. Matthew Tkachuk. Next up, we've got a Sergei Bobrovsky, 199 of 599. Final pack from the left side. We've got a Drake Batherson, 149 of 499. So no hits yet from the left side. Let's hope we see something here in the right side. First pack from the right side, pack number 5. We've got, looks like a jersey card. Piece off the back. Artifacts Netgear jersey, Cal Peterson. Artifacts Netgear jersey. Our first of at least 2 hits, so let's see something bigger than that. I know our first box was kind of saved at the end in the last pack, so I mean, optimistic as looks like possibly another jersey card. Base off the back and blocker. And we've got Kaprizov. Kirill Kaprizov jersey. 2 jersey pieces. That is numbered 91 of 199. Kirill Kaprizov. I have a feeling this is going to be saved by the last pack again, but we'll see. Second last pack here today. Looks like a redemption. We've got Artifacts Retro Rookie Redemption NHL number 13. So, no clue who that would be, but Artifacts Rookie Retro Redemption number 13. Alright, let's hope for something huge here in the last pack, because this has been a very underwhelming box. Final pack here today, 22-23 Artifacts. We've got Artifacts. That's Brady Tkachuk. Brady Tkachuk. I believe these are leather something or others. Yeah, you can definitely smell the leather. Brady Tkachuk. Well, that's going to do it. Yeah, this stuff is, let's be honest, that box is terrible. Unless for some reason these leather cards are selling really well, which if they are, I would have no clue why. Unless people really like to smell them. Yeah. I always called this product Junkifax, and that's pretty much what this box was. Unless I can't see number 13 being big, but man, that definitely seems like a rough box. Probably the last time I'm doing 22-23 Artifacts. So far, I think our best hit out of Artifacts came from a loose pack on last week's 6-pack Saturday, but we'll do a quick recap here. Eichel, Tkachuk, Bobrovsky, Batherson, Patterson, Kaprizov, number 13, and Brady Tkachuk. Well, folks, that is going to do it here today for our second box of 22-23 Artifacts. Likely our last box, because I feel like that was absolutely pathetic. But let me know in the comments below what you thought, folks. It's going to do it here. Box break number 424. If you did enjoy, feel free to leave a like, comment below, and if you have not yet hit the subscribe button, make sure you do so. We've got a big 6-pack Saturday number 200 up tomorrow, and got plenty more box breaks, 6-pack Saturdays, mystery pack Mondays if I get to recording some of those, but yeah, Sunday uploads, and yeah, plenty of more great content to look forward to. So thanks again, folks, for tuning in. Box break number 424.